So again, just with this scatter plot, this far left your y, the far bottom right or bottom x. And you might even have to drop by 500s, y'all. So you might even have to start at 200 and drop by 500s. Okay, see what works, play with it a little bit, and then plot those points. And so it says, determine the exponential regression equation that models that values in the table. And so what we can do right now is, well, we already know our y-intercept. We already know our y-intercept's 2,000. So we can start there. Y equals 2,000 to the, and for that constant ratio, let's just check this out. So 523 divided by 2,000, we get a 0.2615. So let's write that down. I don't know if that's going to be it, but let's just write it down. 22615. Okay. 141 divided by 523, 0.2695. So I'm kind of leaning more toward like a 7 there. 56 divided by 141. 0.39, and so it drastically changes there. And so let's go ahead and let's kind of find that happy medium. I'm okay with 0.267. I'm looking at the official answer to make sure yeah, I'm okay with that. We can do that. Okay, to the power of x. Now, if you really, really wanted to, y'all, you could do this. So let's write all these out, okay? 523 divided by 2,000, you end up getting 0.2615. There's our first one. 141 divided by 523, you end up getting 0.2696. Let's do that. And then if we did 56 divided by 141, you end up getting 0.3972. And then let's just find the average of all of those. So I'm going to add them all up. So 0.2615 plus 0.2696 plus 0.3972. Divide that by 3, and you end up getting 0.32 or 31. So we could move this up a little bit since that's the average. I don't know. Let's just do that. Okay. Really, it's like complete estimation. Okay. And then, so we have our regression equation. It says sketch a function for your equation. You should be able to sketch that function, right? Determine where it's going to be at. And then it says D in the exponential function form. What is the meaning of A and B for this scenario? So you could say A is what we might like. A is our starting point. It's the starting point of attendance to the movie number. B would be that constant ratio of our factored form of decrease. And then E says about how many people are predicted to attend opening night for the fourth sequel of the movie. And so what you could do on this, you can predict, right? If we're already at 56 and it's decreasing that much, you could say, I don't know, you could say something like 23. And then we could also, or we could just plug in 4 into X. Okay, so do 0.277 to the fourth times 2,000. And you end up with about 12. Okay, so you could say 12. I mean, if you wanted to plug in 4 and try it, you can. Any prediction is okay. And then if you wanted to, y'all, after you do 10, you could always check with Desmos if you wanted to just check your answers and see how accurate you are. But you're not required to. Completely up to you, okay? That's all. Let me know if you have any questions.